Blender Indonesia YouTube channel. Hi all, my name is Dwianto. Welcome to Blender Indonesia YouTube channel. In this video, I demonstrate to you Matcap in Blender. To view the Matcap, you can simply press N button in your keyboard, then find the shading menu, then check Matcap. Now you can choose what Matcap what you want. Matcap Blender is very cool feature. We can change the color anytime. Okay, thank you for watching. If you want other video tutorial, for example, how to model and animate this very simple robot, please subscribe